on the island of Fuerteventura for a couple of days this summer and came up with the idea of going scuba diving there. I do know that the Canary Islands are not known as the scuba diving hotspot in the world. They're not like Maldives or something, but still, as the weather was also rainy, I thought I would give it a shot and go for a dive in the Atlantic Ocean. And so here I am on an electric scooter on my way to the Deep Blue Dive Center at the end of the Castillo Harbor. So I arrived a little bit too late, so I don't have any footage of the diving center itself, but I did start recording on my GoPro as soon as I was in the water. I booked 2 dives for the day. The first one started right at the harbor. Basically, we jumped into the water from the diving center itself, and the second dive in the afternoon was in deeper waters, to which we were taken by a boat. So we jumped into the water onto this platform, which was maybe 2 meters deep, on which you could still stand, balance your weight, and then continue the dive. Those of you who are more experienced do know that scuba diving in the harbor can be super dangerous because of all the ships moving around. They can injure you with their propellers, anchors, or even bodies. So the diving center is nicely prepared an underwater cable or string that you would follow to get you into deeper waters and away from the ships. After leaving the end of the cable, you were able to leave it and move around and enjoy a little bit of scuba diving. This short dive was perfect preparation for the dive I had in the afternoon. It was essential to refresh my knowledge and skills since I wasn't scuba diving for a while before this. I do have to tell you that, especially close to the shore, there is not a lot to see under the Atlantic Ocean around Fuerteventura. I was told that if you're lucky, you might come to see some angel sharks, which didn't happen for me. I just saw some random fish and small stuff underwater. The dive in the afternoon was pretty cool though. I still didn't see a lot of fish, but just scuba diving in the ocean between these huge rocks was super awesome. We went down to 30 meters deep, which was the deepest I've ever been to, and to be honest, yes, I will go scuba diving again if I'm on the Canary Islands and especially Fuerteventura. So the diving center that I chose was also really great. The staff was super nice, helpful, and I will definitely book with them again the next time I'm on the island.